Eurozone. So we're hearing his plane was struck by lightning. This wasn't just, the pilot deciding he was going to avoid a storm system. The plane was struck, according to Reuters, turned back around. It was on its way to Berlin. We don't know if it's landed in Paris yet, and we don't know if he's going to take another flight or wait until tomorrow.
Do we know how he's doing? Is everybody okay on this plane? Do we know?
From what we're hearing, everybody is fine. It's not an unusual, it is unusual, but it's not necessarily a very dangerous thing for a plane to be hit by lightning. I'm no, aeronautics expert, but everybody seems to be fine, and the plane has either landed or is about to land back in Paris. And the weather is dreadful today.
Okay, well, let's hope this is not a sign of things to come.
Let's hope so.
This is his first day.
It's his first day on the job, and this Eurozone crisis and how to deal with it, these two leaders, Angela Merkel and the French president, disagree on how to approach it, and markets are very jittery about it.
Yeah, that's a very important trip. We'll say, obviously, he'll make that trip another time when the weather's a little bit better here.